Hi everyone, this is Praveen Durai from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the best offers to promote on Ezmob to make money fast. Let's go! Welcome to today's video everybody. In today's video we are going to take a look on how to find the best converting offer for Ezmob in order for you to actually make fast cash. So before we proceed further, you need to understand what is Ezmob first, right? So it's Ezmob, so you can actually call it anything you want, Ezmob, so whatever. So it's actually an ad network where you can actually go ahead, you can actually sell your traffic, you can monetize your traffic if you're a publisher, or on the other hand, which is our hand, you can actually go ahead and buy traffic from Ezmob. And Ezmob is actually very simple kind of ad network because they actually emphasize a lot when it comes to mobile. As you can see, Ezmob is called mobile, so the name itself actually tells you that this particular ad network, they focus a lot on mobile. So you can actually go ahead and look at their dashboard. So this is how their dashboard looks like. It's actually a very simple dashboard, so there's not a lot of features around here for you to actually, which can go ahead and help you to go ahead and find some beautiful offers, because Ezmob usually does not do that. Only some networks like AdStera, Rich Push, they actually emphasize on helping you to find a better offer so that you can actually do it. So an ordinary ad network like Ezmob or Ezmob, something like this, so they do not do all this. So when this kind of thing happens, you can actually go ahead and do two things. First, you can actually go ahead and ask those CPC rate. So make sure you are very specific. So you can actually go over here, you can type a message, and then you can ask, hey, what is the CPC rate for push traffic mobile or desktop, something like that. So be very specific and ask them questions. They would be replying you guys, don't worry, they will do that. Or you can even go ahead and check out the CPC rate if there is the rate recommended within the campaign builder or not. I'm talking generally, but when it comes to Ezmob, when you go into the campaign builder, I'm going to show you guys. So if you go add campaign, you go to push campaign, you will not be able to see any CPC recommendation or anything. Even if you see here, if you click on the, even if you see anywhere around here, there is no any recommendation. So you are on your own. When this kind of situation occurs, the main thing that you should decide is, first thing, you should decide whether you want to go for tier 1 country or tier 2 country or tier 3 country. So usually the tier 2 and tier 3, they are like one category. So whether you want to go tier 1 or you want to go to the others, so you have to decide this. So you need to know the pros and the cons between all these tiers. So the main pros, let me just go very fast on the pros and the cons of tier 1 and tier 2. So when you go to the pros of tier 1, definitely high payout offers. The offers that you find for tier 1 countries, they do have a high payout, which means that you're going to get paid a lot. But the con of tier 1 is that there's two main cons that I would like to say. The first one is that the traffic is actually expensive. So in order for you to do very successfully, to be very successful in the tier 1 geo when it comes to media buying, is that you have to have a lot of cash with you. You need to have a lot of fun so that you can actually test campaigns, and even if that campaign turns up to be a bullshit campaign, you lose money, it's not a big deal for you, things like that. You need to have capacity. And the second thing that I would say, that tier 1 is like swimming in the sea, swimming with the sea, and while tier 2 and tier 3 is like swimming in the swimming pool. Why I say this is that when you're swimming in the swimming pool, you can actually prove to everybody, hey, I can swim fast and all this kind of stuff. But when you're swimming in the sea, you can't do that because there is sharks, there is like big waves and all this kind of stuff. So this kind of stuff is actually what I meant by competitors. So the competitors that you are facing, for example, let's take the same scenario, sea and swimming pool. So swimming pool, usually you will be facing the competitors who's almost your age, almost doing whatever you want and stuff like that. But if you go to the sea, you will be facing with divers, you will be facing with surfers, you will be facing with experienced swimmers and all this kind of stuff. Same thing applies to affiliate marketing or media buying. When you go to tier 1 country, the competition is very high, and the competitions are, your competitors are not normal people. They are experienced affiliate marketers or media buyers who already been in the industry. They have did this, they want more payout offers. They have already did low payout offers. They have already generated the money already. So I'm not telling that you can't compete with them. You can compete with them, but you need to know the pros and the cons. So when you go to tier 2 and tier 3 country, the biggest con is that the payout is low. The payout, it might be 10 cent, 9 cent, sometimes 8 cent, even lesser than that. It can go very, very low. So the amount that you're getting paid might be very, very less. But the pros is actually you will need a very, very low amount of money to succeed in the tier 2 and tier 3 country. You have to keep this in mind, as well as when you're doing a tier 2 and tier 3 offer, there is a probability that you will lose. You definitely, when you're starting a campaign, you will not you don't expect to make your first campaign as a winning campaign, right? So you're going to lose a lot of campaign, and when you lose a lot of campaign, this kind of thing will not hurt you. The money that you're going to lose is a little bit, especially when you're applying 3-day rules, the money that you're going to lose is a little bit compared to tier 1. So you will be able to survive. And like I told you just now, the competitors, people you will be competing with, will be almost your level. So it will be easy for you to actually succeed in tier 2 or tier 3. So saying that, we're going to choose a tier 2 or tier 3 country, and we're going to choose a country called as Tunisia. So we're going to go for Tunisia. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our affiliate network and find for our offer. So the affiliate network that we are going to use for this particular video is Mobidia. Why Mobidia? Is because they do have a section over here called the offer directories. If you click on this particular section, it will lead you to this particular page where there will be a lot of offers. Actually, I have did some filters over here. Let me just cancel the filters off. So these offers are already top converting offer, which means that these offers are already there. It's already been successful. So there's no need for you to find a new offer and make it successful. You can just go ahead and opt in into offers which is already successful. And that's why we come into Mobidia. So once we are here, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go and search for the country that you are actually going to do. So we told Tunisia, right? So Tunisia is here. So we're going to press apply. So once you press apply, you can actually see all the kind of offers, CPA offers, CPL offer. You can go ahead and filter more if you want to. For example, let's say that I want only CPL offer. I can actually go ahead and filter more. So there's only 2 CPL offer. One is for Royal Camps. This is an adult offer. And then one more is for game offer. I already did this game offer many times. So I'm just going to go for a CPA offer. So maybe you can actually go for a CPA offer. You can go for credit card offer, single opt-in. Let's find a single opt-in offer. Let me just go ahead and choose a different offer, guys. Let's go for credit card summit for something different. So this all actually win an iPhone. This looks great, guys. So we're gonna choose this offer. So win an iPhone 11 in-house offer. So it's a SMS offer. So you have to name the payout and you have to know what type of countries is allowed and all this kind of stuff. So over here you can see what type of traffic is allowed, the screenshot, the banners, the opportunity, the targeting, and all this kind of stuff. So once you have seen all that, you can go ahead and hit the apply button. Choose the traffic that you are actually doing. So if you're choosing adult offer, make sure you choose adult traffic. So we are going to use push notification, and then if you have a lander, put your lander here for the submission, for the verification as well. If you don't have, then okay, then all you got to do is just hit this button and hit apply, and your offer would be sent for verification. If the affiliate manager verify that you will be able to run this offer, then he'll open this offer, he or she will open this offer for you, and you can go ahead and run this offer and profit like crazy. To make the process very fast, you can actually take the offer ID and email the advertising manager or affiliate manager, or you can even go to the general chat over here and say, I have actually sent an application for this offer. Please do take a look at this offer, and it will make your life much more easier. If you approach them rather than they approaching you, it will make the process much more faster. So that's about it in today's video, guys, and that's exactly how you go ahead and choose the best converting offer with Ezmob using the Mobidia as your affiliate network, and you can actually go ahead and make a lot of money very, very fast. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. More than that, I really hope that you liked today's video and today's video was beneficial for you. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.